I've got some new chickens, and one of the problems you have with new chickens is they don't know where to lay. They either don't, well, they don't know what a nest box is. They don't even know what an egg is at first. And so they have a tendency to lay where you do not want them to lay. I have got a best nest box, and if you're not familiar with that, I love it. It's a box that they go in here and lay. The eggs roll down out of the way where they can't peck them, they can't sit on them, they can't brood, go broody. I've had this 2 years, and I've got chickens that go broody, and they have not gone broody since I installed that. So what I've done, what they were doing was laying over in this corner over here, watering out of place in these wood shavings, and they were going in that corner and laying. So anyway, what I have done is come in here with a little piece of a cattle panel. Well, you can see that, how closely you can see that. And basically it just, it doesn't allow them to get down in there and build a nest, you know, to carve out a nest and go lay. And I had something else in there. I had a bushel basket, a couple of bushel baskets sitting in there, and they get covered with poop because this is one of the places that they roost. So that's not a great idea. And I just did that as a temporary because I knew I wanted to put this. I've used this before. I knew I wanted to put the cattle panel in there. I love cattle panels, y'all know that. Want to put the cattle panel in there. I put some wood in there at first. They were way back in that corner, so I put a piece of wood in that corner and maybe a couple of pieces of wood, and they just kept doing it. They'd come over here, whatever. So since I put the bushel baskets in there, the egg production slowed down, so that may have scared them. Any kind of change, they're chicken, okay? So they're scared. That's where we get the word, the chicken. They're scared of everything. So any little change you make sometimes can throw them a little bit, maybe mess with their productivity. So, but they were getting covered with poop, and again, that was a stopgap measure because it was just quick. I didn't have a cattle panel to cut the size, and so anyway, I got this, cut this and put it in there. They won't be able to get up in there now and lay. And I've already started to get some eggs from the red chickens. I got my newest chickens at Chickenville, USA. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's a cool place. Look up right about there, right about now, for a video on Chickenville, USA. Cool place to buy chickens. Healthy, good chickens. Good pullets, you know, small chickens. This will keep them, it'll keep the poops drained through, kind of, unlike something solid you put there that's going to just collect with the poop from these roosts. I've got a roost there. They go all the way across there, but my biggest chickens get up there on that pallet I've got suspended. If you don't know what that is, then check out the video I've got, how to make a chicken roost out of a pallet. Look right up there right about now, and it'll be there. So this is a quick video. It's just showing that if you have them nesting, if you have your chickens, you're you know, eating new chickens or old chickens, whatever, nesting in a place that you don't want them, not nesting, laying in a place you don't want them. And sometimes they'll carve out a spot if they're going to go broody, especially if I'm surprised they haven't with the best nest box. I'm surprised they haven't gone over here and gone broody, you know, over here on the side. One of them decided she wanted to be a mom and start setting on eggs on the side, but it hasn't happened. And it's because those eggs just go out of sight, out of mind. See, they pop out their behinds and they go, well, okay, I was thinking about being a mama, but I guess not. I don't see no dang egg. So, again, one of the red chickens out there is, those are my new ones. And I found some red butt feathers on an egg yesterday, so I've got starting to get some eggs out of it. And they're old enough; they should have already been laying. But anyway, do this. Do something to keep your chickens from laying. They're going to go to a certain spot every dadgum time, unless you stop them. And I mean, stop them quick. Don't wait till they do it for a week or two, and try to get a handle on it, and they'll find the right spot. I've got them laying eggs where I want them to lay eggs, and not where they want to lay eggs. And that is the key to happiness. Well, one of them. Maybe not the key to happiness. It's just a key to making your life a little bit easier. Let's put it that way. We got them laying where we want them. It's just uncomfortable for them. It's not a trap. They can't get in there and get out, and they can't scratch around. There's a wire in the way. Dadgummit, I can't, you can't go in there and lay in that. So you got to outsmart them. Not that they're that smart. So you don't have to be really smart, but you got to outsmart them. All right. That's it. We're gone.